Hey Stampers, Diane Dimich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to my July tutorial, which uses the Charming Duck Ponds bundle. How my tutorial works is you place an order with me of any size, and you get a thank you email from me. It has a link to the tutorial. So the tutorial consists this month of 6 cards, which I'm going to show you here in a minute. You'll get an email to a link to a website that holds 6 PDFs with instructions cutting what products I used on those cards, all the cutting measurements and everything else. So if your order is over $50, the following month, I try to do it as soon as possible. Just depends on shipping, but I send out a packet of supplies of cardstock, designer series paper, ribbon, embellishments, anything that I used in that tutorial. I send you a packet of supplies to make those products. Now you will need to purchase, if you want to make them like I do, the stamp sets, the inks, those kinds of things, but you can always use what you have. So most of my tutorials work great with any products that you already carry or have. So let me switch my camera over and I will show you this month's tutorial. So we use, like I said, the Charming Duck Pond stamp set. It's a product bundle, so it has dies that go with it. These are some great dies. I'm going to show you some of the cards I made with them. But, you know, you get dies that cut out the images from the stamp set, and then you get other dies that are just standalone dies that do their own thing. So these are the cards that I made. I really love them. I loved the Pretty and Peacock with the Pretty and Pink. Yeah, Pretty Peacock with the Pretty and Pink combination. I love that. But some great card designs, and they're pretty easy. Like I said, they can be used with any stamp set. This one is kind of a fun fold. Opens up. This die, I love this die that comes in the set. It's the circle with cattails and lily pads around it. And then I tuck some lily pads down behind it. Cute. Here I used it again, this time with designer series paper. And of course I did decorate all the insides of my cards too, because I love doing that. So those are the projects. So what you get is you'll get, like they said, the ribbon, all the cardstock pieces that you need, plus basic white. I didn't put that in there. And then these are the designer series paper. And so they're 6 by 6, but you get 12 sheets of double-sided paper. So there is a lot of paper here. And as you can see, a lot of it, you can just use the images to complete the whole card. I'm going to show you this side. Just lots of fun designs, and I'd love there's something about the paper combination. And then on this side, there's lots of different patterns that wouldn't necessarily be done for lily pads or frogs or ducks or whatever. So anyway, that is my tutorial for July. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Sign up for my newsletter if you haven't already at www.DDStamps.com, because that's where I keep you informed of things that are going on and what my events are. So take care, and I hope you have a great day.